Eva maiki haano.
Haano si I whakalahiki he lotu moe ako.
Eva maiki haano.
Eva maiki haano.
Ki kauhala utamo kauhala lalo. Eva mai.
Eva mai.
Eva mai.
Eva mai.
Eva mai ki loto haano.
Thank you for being in New York. And thank you once again. Please take this key. And I want you that while you're enjoying the luxury of sitting out here with your sister, I want you to look at the front and remember and memorize every single face that is here today. Because these are your family. It's my honor to present you the key of freedom. Young life, I want you to know that we are truly blessed, that you are one of a kind. And I thank you for being a very good joy. I want you to know that we love you. Your city loves you, your family loves you, and your family today. Wow.